Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a damaged down jacket, and this can be applied to down sleeping bags and quilts as well. So today I'm going to be using Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Repair Patches. They have them in these little circular patches as well as in the roll of tape, and then they have them in cute little fun shapes. They have Sasquatch, little animals, stars, moon, outdoor things. They have a funny one which I want to get next time. It's a moose and a bear in a canoe. So they have those fun things. They also have them in various colors so that you can find a patch that matches whatever you're trying to repair. We have like a red sleeping bag, blue sleeping bag, this gray puffy down blanket, black jacket, and so we've got all of those colors and they match very well. They also have repair kits and repair patches for your rain jacket and rain gear. They have mesh patches for your bug tents that you put over like a picnic table. They also have a repair kit for your tent seams. So we are not sponsored by this company, but we have used their product over the past couple of years and it holds up very, very well, and we highly recommend it. Alright, so the items you need to repair your tear in your down jacket are your repair patches, a cloth with some rubbing alcohol, and your scissors. The first thing you are going to do is to take your cloth with your rubbing alcohol and clean around the tear in your down jacket, and that's to remove any excess dirt or oil and to just make it easier for the patch to adhere to the fabric. The next thing you're going to do is take your repair patch and measure about an inch around your tear just to make sure it overlaps and covers that full area. This covers the whole thing, so I'm not going to need to cut it today. But if you have that repair tape or you do have to cut it, make sure you round out any rough edges. You want to do that because if you have those rough edges, it makes it easier to pry up or to rip off that patch, and you don't want to do that. After you've done that, you're going to pull your fabric taut and you're going to take your patch and start at one corner and just ease it on top of the tear. And you're going to rub the patch as you go along just to make sure that there's no air bubbles or anything and it's adhering fully to the fabric. After you have your patch on, you're just going to set it aside for a day or so and put something heavy on top of it just so that the patch adheres fully to that fabric. Alright, so now that we have the patch on, we're going to set it aside with something flat and heavy on top of it, and it should be ready to go on our next adventure in a day or two. We're going to leave a link in the description below of all the patches we went over in this video in case you want to check them out. Thank y'all for watching. We hope this video was beneficial to you guys.